Madeira Islands. It is a mountainous volcanic archipelago, located in northwest Africa in the North Atlantic Ocean, belonging to the state of Portugal. It is called the Pearl of the Atlantic, because of its charming nature. Madeira consists of 4 distinct islands with stunning views. It is also characterized by mountain slopes, picturesque beaches, unique tourist attractions and charming cities, most of which overlook the Atlantic coast, which made it one of the most beautiful tourist destinations in Portugal. The capital of Madeira is Funchal City. Funchal is located on the Atlantic Ocean in the south of Madeira. It is surrounded by sea and mountains. It is the main port and administrative center of Madeira. Funchal, dating back to the 15th century. It is a city with an ancient character. It includes beautiful old palaces, narrow streets and picturesque gardens. Câmara De Lobos. It is a small and picturesque village, located in the southern part of Madeira Island. It was the first settlement established in Madeira. Câmara De Lobos town is distinguished by its wonderful bay and picturesque landscapes. Its bay is also characterized by beautiful colorful fishing boats. Sao Vicente. Sao Vicente is one of the most unique places to see the picturesque nature of Madeira. The abundant forests dominate the landscape of Sao Vicente, with green areas and mountain slopes. It also features many hiking trails through the forests. Sao Vicente Beach is one of the favorite places to enjoy ocean views, and it is one of the best places for surfing enthusiasts. Porto Moniz. It is a small village located in the northwest of Madeira Island. This region is characterized by majestic mountains, the surface of the Pacific Ocean, hills, cliffs, bays, and a magnificent coastline. It is also famous for the natural pools of Porto Moniz, which are pools made of volcanic rocks in which the sea flows naturally, which is one of the most beautiful tourist attractions on the island, that was formed from volcanic lava, and was naturally filled with clear seawater. Ponta Sao Lourenco area. It is a volcanic peninsula of 9 kilometers long. This site is classified as a partial nature reserve due to its ecological importance. Ponta Sao Lourenco is characterized by a range of wonderful seascapes. It also includes many species of animals and unique plants, exotic rock formations and beautiful caves. Ribeira da Janela Island. It is an island famous for its coastline, which has formed amazing rock formations, which are located near the coast. These rock formations have made it a distinctive seascape of the island that attracts many visitors. Veu da Noiva waterfall. It is one of the most popular landmarks on the northern coast of Madeira Island. It is a waterfall descending from the mountain slope covered with vegetation, heading towards the sea on the northern coast of Madeira. It was named by this name because of its height and the abundance of water flowing from it. Fanal Forest. It is a charming forest located in the northern part of Madeira Island. Fanal is one of the large 100-year-old laurel forests. It includes a wonderful heritage of landscapes dating back centuries. The magnificent Fanal Forest is part of the Laurisilva Forest, which has been listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1999 as a natural heritage of humanity. Fanal is one of the most amazing and protected natural treasures in Madeira. I hope you enjoyed this short trip to Madeira Islands. To see more, please subscribe. Thank you for following up.